Hey everybody, this is JDGaming, and today I'm putting together my Trade Binder update, so I thought I'd share with you a little experiment that I'm going to try that I encourage you to join in for testing in order to make an organized Trade Binder as quickly and as efficiently as possible, especially in the long run. So if you've dealt with me before, you know that I like using yugiohprices.com as kind of a guideline for what I'd like to value my cards at. And for multiple reasons. First, it gives me prices for, the averages, lows, even the highs and whatnot. So it gives me a lot of different prices to choose from at different sites, TCG Player, Amazon, eBay, Troll and Toad, all that. But it also gives interesting information like if you look at the stock market, you'll see different shifts, increases and decreases over various times. And this site does a similar thing. It updates many times a day, and it gives you information as to price increases and decreases for different cards. So now you can see basically the Yu-Gi-Oh environment, what's popular, what's powerful in the metagame, things like that. So very helpful tool, and it gives you an idea of what cards you should be stocking, what you should be getting rid of and such if you are a vendor or just trader or seller online. But today we're not going to talk too much about the site itself other than this handy little tool called the Card Pricer. So you'll see two search bars. You want to go down to the second one. Let's say I have a Nobleman of Crossout, super rare from Pharaoh's Servant for my binder. You can search that in the bar, and I don't really know how to transfer it to this efficiently other than copy paste it, but if you quick add the card, you will see now it's been added. You see the lowest price and the average price and even the quantity total, and it sums it all for you, which is very convenient. Now let's say I have BLS, Envoy of the Evening Twilight. So if I look up Evening, I don't even have to type up the whole card title in order to get whatever I want. So try getting creative, you find hyphens in different cards, try putting hyphen letter and then you might find it immediately, or just the set name or whatever you. So do try that stuff out. So it'll now sum up everything for you, very handy. And then let's say I have something like super polymerization, and it's a secret rare from Legendary Collection GX. So now I can quick find this, and I have kind of a starting list of a jumble of cards of all different prices and kinds. So how do I organize this? Well, first, you can click any of these headings in order to alphabetize them, organize them by different types of cards, or my favorite, change them by price. So here is ascending going down or descending. So this is kind of how I would have organized my binder before. To be honest, I hadn't used this card pricer feature, but I feel like, this is exactly what I like to do anyway. Might as well start using it. So I encourage you to try this thing out, see how it works. Let me know in the comments, and it saves us time, especially when we consider this new feature. If you hit save and share this card pricer list, it'll prompt you to title this list. So I'm just going to call it JDGaming Yu-Gi-Oh Binder, and then append on any password you would like. It creates a list, if successful, that now you can share onto your Facebook, other social media forums, sites, and you can also save this link on a word processor or on your computer. Just save the web page or whatnot, and you will have your binder that now you can click here, edit card pricer list. As long as you're the one with the password, which means no one else will be able to do it, you're authenticated, you're able to update the different quantities, remove cards, add different cards to the list, and now you can change your binder every week, month, whatever you'd like to update it for. Without much effort, because most of the stuff doesn't really change all that often unless you're selling your entire binder. If that's the case, you can change the 4 or 5 cards that you traded that week, remove them, add some cards, and it saves you a lot of time because now we can still organize it based on price, card, alphabetical order, what have you, and now you have this tool automatically doing it for you. It's so convenient. Plus, if you have the link and now you have it on your Facebook or something, and someone asks you at locals, oh, what do you have? It's obviously not convenient in the sense that you can't trade with them right away if you somehow or for some reason don't have your cards, but at least you have some list that can tell people, hey, I have all this stuff, and you can even check prices as you go, because now as long as you have this link, you could use it with the phone app as well, which is very convenient. And then I mentioned selling binders in total. Well, this is a great way of doing that because now you know what your low values and average values are. So maybe start with the average value and give a percent discount on it or something if you want to sell, or whatever you want to do. It gives you so much information. It empowers you as a trader or seller in this game. And I hope this thing helps you improve your Yu-Gi tubing experience so that now you can organize your stuff even more efficiently. If you have school or work, stuff like I do, life gets busy. Let this do the work for you. Powerful tool, looks very professional, and definitely is working for me so far, so I encourage you guys to try it out. And thanks to this tool, my binder should be up very, very soon. So do expect that. Make sure you sub if you haven't already so that you don't miss that binder and other upcoming videos. And this is JD Gaming. I'll see you guys next time.